Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into a major business story that impacts the future of our country. Imagine a company that builds the towers and poles powering your home and connecting your phone to the internet. Now, picture another giant company buying a big piece of it for billions of dollars. That's exactly what happened. TPG just bought a huge stake in Sabre Industries for $3.5 billion. This isn't just about money, it's about the backbone of our modern lives. We'll break down what this deal means, who these companies are, and why it matters to you. The companies are betting big on the need for more electricity, faster internet, and stronger infrastructure. Think about AI, cloud computing, and all the tech that needs power and data. Sabre helps make that possible. This story is about the behind-the-scenes work that keeps our world running. By the end, you'll see why this business move is shaping the future for all of us. Let's get started. Let's meet the main players behind this major deal. 3 names you'll want to remember. TPG is a massive investment firm, always searching for businesses with big growth potential and the power to transform entire industries. They manage money for wealthy clients, pension funds, and institutions, investing across a wide range of sectors, from healthcare and technology to infrastructure and energy. With billions under management, TPG's decisions can shape the direction of the companies they back. When TPG invests, it's a strong vote of confidence that can open doors and accelerate growth. Now let's talk about Sabre Industries. Based in Texas, Sabre builds the steel poles and towers that support our power grid and cell networks, critical infrastructure that keeps America running. Their work is everywhere, even if you don't see it. Every time you use your phone or turn on a light, Sabre's products are working behind the scenes. Blackstone, another investment giant, owned Sabre since 2021 and played a key role in helping it expand and modernize. Blackstone's expertise and resources helped Sabre reach new heights, making it even more essential to the nation's infrastructure. Now, Blackstone is selling most of its stake to TPG, but keeping a significant piece, showing continued belief in Sabre's future and its ongoing growth story. In short, Blackstone is the seller, TPG is the buyer, and Sabre is the company building America's infrastructure, one steel pole at a time. This deal is like passing the baton in a relay. Blackstone ran a strong leg, and now TPG takes over for the next phase, aiming to push Sabre even further. The goal? Grow Sabre even more as demand for its products skyrockets, fueled by America's need for stronger, smarter infrastructure. These firms aren't just trading money, they're shaping the future of our country's infrastructure, economy, and daily life. That's why this deal matters, not just to the companies involved, but to all of us who rely on the networks and power lines Sabre helps build. So, what does Sabre Industries actually make? It's a question that might not cross your mind every day, but the answer impacts nearly every aspect of modern life. Their main business is building the steel towers and poles that carry electricity across the country. These aren't just any metal structures. They're engineered to be strong, reliable, and able to withstand the harshest weather conditions. These structures hold up the massive cables that deliver power from plants to homes and businesses, ensuring that electricity flows safely and efficiently over long distances. Sabre also builds the cell towers that keep your phone connected, enabling calls, texts, and streaming. Without these towers, our wireless communication networks simply wouldn't function. Their towers are engineered to withstand storms and heavy equipment, providing the backbone for everything from emergency calls to streaming your favorite shows. Sabre's products are the backbone of both our power grid and our digital networks. They play a crucial role in keeping the lights on and the world connected. They also design custom solutions for renewable energy projects, like wind and solar farms, helping to support the transition to cleaner, more sustainable power sources. Sabre employs nearly 2,800 skilled workers, engineers, and technicians across the U.S. These dedicated professionals design, build, and maintain the infrastructure that powers our daily lives. Every time you use electricity or your phone, you're relying on infrastructure Sabre may have built. Their work touches millions of people, often without them even realizing it. Their work is mostly invisible, but absolutely essential. The next time you flip a light switch or make a call, remember the unseen network making it possible. Without Sabre, our modern economy would grind to a halt. The systems we depend on every day would simply not function. They connect power plants to homes and cell phones to networks. Their reach extends from rural communities to bustling cities, quietly supporting our way of life. Sabre is a key link in the chain that keeps America running, ensuring that both energy and information flow where they're needed most. That's why investors see so much value in what they do. As demand for reliable infrastructure grows, so does Sabre's importance. Their role is critical and growing. In a world that depends on constant connection and power, Sabre Industries is building the future, one tower at a time. Let's break down the deal and see what makes this $3.5 billion transaction so significant, not just for the companies involved, but for the entire industry. Sabre Industries, a major player in the infrastructure sector, is now valued at a staggering $3.5 billion. This valuation reflects not only its current assets and operations, but also its potential for future growth as America's infrastructure needs continue to rise. TPG isn't acquiring the entire company, but they're securing a majority stake, enough to steer Sabre's direction and make key decisions about its future. This kind of control is crucial in shaping the company's next phase. Blackstone, who originally bought Sabre in 2021, is now selling most of its ownership for 4 times what it paid. That's an extraordinary return in just a few years, and it highlights the rapid growth and value creation that's possible in private equity. This is a textbook example of private equity success, turning a strategic investment into a massive profit. It's the kind of outcome that investors dream about. But Blackstone isn't walking away. They'll keep a significant minority stake, signaling their continued confidence in Sabre's long-term prospects and their belief that there's even more growth ahead. With TPG now at the helm, Sabre is poised to expand its reach and capabilities. TPG's leadership and resources could help Sabre tap into new markets and meet the surging demand for infrastructure across the country. This deal is about more than just money. It's about who gets to shape the next era of American infrastructure, and who will provide the backbone for the nation's growth. The transaction was officially announced in February 2026, and it's already making waves throughout the industry, sparking conversations about what's next for infrastructure investment. TPG's investment is a strong signal of confidence in Sabre's future, and in the growing need for the products and services Sabre provides to keep America running. Blackstone's decision to stay involved means they expect even more growth and success ahead, and they want to be part of Sabre's ongoing journey. In summary, TPG takes the lead, Blackstone remains a key player, and Sabre Industries is set for its next big chapter, with both firms working together to drive future success. This is a major milestone for all 3 companies, marking a new era of collaboration and opportunity. And for Sabre, TPG, and Blackstone, it's just the beginning of what could be a transformative journey in the world of infrastructure. Why is Sabre worth $3.5 billion? America's power grid is aging and needs a massive upgrade. The shift to renewables like wind and solar means new transmission lines are needed. Sabre supplies them. Our appetite for data is exploding, and 5G networks require more towers. Sabre builds those too. The rise of AI and cloud computing means more data centers, which need reliable power connections. Sabre's American manufacturing is a huge advantage in a world of supply chain disruptions. All these trends make Sabre a critical, high-demand supplier. That's why investors are willing to pay top dollar. The TPG Sabre deal is part of a bigger trend: private money pouring into infrastructure. Investment firms see huge opportunities as America upgrades its power grids and digital networks. The picks and shovels of today are steel towers, data centers, and communication lines. Companies like Sabre don't make the apps or AI, but they build the hardware everything depends on. This makes them a stable, profitable investment. Private capital is speeding up modernization in ways government alone can't. Firms like TPG and Blackstone are identifying bottlenecks and funding solutions. The result? Faster, smarter infrastructure for the digital age. For TPG, buying Sabre is a strategic bet on America's future. The biggest trends, clean energy, reshoring manufacturing, and digital growth, all need new infrastructure. Sabre's products are essential, not optional, so demand is steady and predictable. That's attractive for long-term investors. Blackstone's success with Sabre proves this strategy works. TPG is following a proven path, but on a bigger scale. This deal is a vote of confidence in American innovation and manufacturing. It's about building the backbone for the next wave of progress. This $3.5 billion deal isn't just Wall Street news, it affects you. Sabre employs nearly 2,800 Americans, and TPG's investment could mean more jobs and growth. Upgrading our power grid and cell networks means more reliable electricity and better phone service. Stronger infrastructure means fewer outages and better coverage, even in rural areas. Modern networks help keep America competitive and support new technologies like AI. Efficient, resilient infrastructure can help control long-term costs for everyone. These investments make our daily lives safer, more connected, and more affordable. The benefits may not show up overnight, but they're real and lasting. That's why deals like this matter to all of us. In conclusion, the TPG Sabre deal is about more than money. It's a bet on America's need for more power and connectivity. Private investment is building the foundation for the next era of innovation. Companies like Sabre are the builders. Firms like TPG and Blackstone provide the fuel. This is a story of vision, capital, and American know-how coming together. The future depends on strong infrastructure, and that's what this deal is all about. As we look ahead, expect more investments like this, laying the groundwork for tomorrow's breakthroughs. The quiet work of building our infrastructure is what truly powers our world and shapes our future.